Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate container inventory report in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the NVOCC module. Here, we have to select the Report NVOCC menu under the NVOCC module. Now, we have to select the Container Inventory Report menu. On this page, we can see the container details. Here, we have to click the report option at the top of the screen. Now, we have to select the container inventory report Jasper report. Here, we can see the information about the container. If you want to download this report, just click the download option. This is how to generate container inventory report in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.